Looking to upgrade your home garage with professional level equipment? In this guide, we'll reveal the best car lifts for home garage setups that combine safety, strength, and space-saving design, perfect for DIY mechanics and serious car enthusiasts alike. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Maxjax M7K Garage Car Lift. The Maxjax M7K Garage Car Lift is an ideal solution for DIY mechanics, car enthusiasts, and anyone needing a professional-grade lift in a home garage without sacrificing floor space. Its standout feature is portability. Users can install or remove the entire system in under 15 minutes, which is perfect for garages that serve multiple purposes. Despite its compact design, the M7K doesn't compromise on functionality. It offers clear undercar access, making tasks like oil changes, transmission repairs, and exhaust work far easier and safer. The adjustable lifting arms and stackable adapters add flexibility for lifting a variety of vehicle types, from sedans to small trucks. The low-profile arms are a plus for working with low-clearance vehicles, while the automatic arm restraints enhance safety during operation. Built with industrial-grade hydraulic cylinders and single-piece columns, the lift ensures both durability and stability. Another benefit is its 7,000-pound lifting capacity, which is more than sufficient for most personal and light commercial vehicles. The Maxjax is powered by a portable hydraulic power unit that can be stored away when not in use. This feature, combined with its bolted-down design, makes it a top pick for users who want the strength of a two-post lift but lack the space or need for a permanent installation. Its professional performance in a home-friendly format is what makes the Maxjax M7K so appealing. While it requires a solid concrete surface for secure mounting, it's still far less demanding than traditional lifts. For those needing a balance of mobility, power, and convenience, the Maxjax M7K offers a near-perfect blend that few other garage lifts can match.
Number 2. The KATOOL 11,000 pounds Garage Car Lift. The KATOOL 11,000 pounds Garage Car Lift is a robust and professional-grade two-post lift engineered for heavy-duty lifting, whether in home garages or commercial environments like repair shops and 4S stores. With a lifting capacity of 11,000 pounds and a maximum lift height of 70.75 inches, this lift is built to handle a broad spectrum of vehicles, from compact sedans to large SUVs and trucks. The symmetric, clear floor design provides balanced support, while dual hydraulic chain drive cylinders ensure smooth, powerful lifting. CE certified and tested to withstand 115% dynamic and 150% static loading. This model emphasizes both safety and strength. The manual safety release is accessible from both sides, adding convenience and control during operation. KATOOL also includes rubber door guards, screw-on pads, and 100mm extension adapters, making it adaptable to various chassis styles. The standout feature is the double S column design, which resists bending and stress deformation, ensuring longevity and structural integrity. While its 220-volt motor demands a suitable power setup, its performance justifies the requirement. The KATOOL lift is ideal for users who expect consistent heavy-duty use and need the confidence of industrial-grade engineering. The one downside is that unloading requires a forklift or tractor, as the buyer is responsible for offloading the equipment upon delivery. However, this is common with professional lifts of this size and class. For those looking to bring commercial lift quality into their home garage, or for small business owners looking for dependable daily performance, the KATOOL 11,000 pounds lift delivers the features, strength, and reliability needed to get the job done.
Number 3. The KATOOL 11,000 pounds Garage Car Lift two-post version is a serious upgrade for any garage, offering commercial-grade capabilities with home shop accessibility. Built to handle lifting capacity of 11,000 pounds, this model provides reliable performance whether you're servicing a compact sedan or a heavy-duty track. Its clear floor symmetric design means no base plate obstructs the work area, giving technicians unobstructed movement while under the vehicle. Dual hydraulic chain drive cylinders ensure stable, consistent lifts every time, and the unit operates with a powerful 220-volt, 60Hz one-phase motor. Included screw-on pads and extension adapters, plus 100mm, enhance versatility, making the lift suitable for a variety of vehicle chassis heights and sizes. Safety is a central focus with manual locking systems, has high-quality hydraulics, and structural integrity supported by a strong US-based design team. Like its 11K sibling, it also features rubber padding to protect doors and panels from accidental damage during positioning. While installation and unloading require heavy equipment like a forklift or tractor, this is expected for a professional grade lift. One helpful feature is the option to have the lift shipped to a local terminal if home unloading isn't feasible. Its robust frame and precision construction make it a good match for garages that handle frequent vehicle maintenance. Whether you are a serious home mechanic running a small repair business, the KATOOL 2-post 11,000 pounds lift delivers the performance, stability, and adaptability necessary for efficient, high-volume work.
Number 4. Albott 7000 LBS Garage Car Lift. The Albott 7000 LBS Garage Car Lift is an excellent scissor-style lift that strikes a perfect balance between portability and lifting strength. With a 7,000-pound weight capacity, it's suitable for sedans, SUVs, and even small trucks. The lift includes multiple locking positions for secure operation and an upgraded spring design that accelerates height recovery, improving both safety and efficiency. The lift reaches a maximum height of 28 inches and comes with several height adjustment increments and 2 extension panels to accommodate different vehicles. This makes it ideal for quick maintenance, brake jobs, oil changes, or undercarriage inspections. Built from Q235B high-strength steel, the lift's frame is both rugged and corrosion-resistant, making it suitable for use in both home garages and professional shops. A notable feature is the foldable and mobile design, complete with 4 wheels, which allows users to move and store the unit easily when not in use. Unlike more permanent installations, the Albott lift offers flexibility for those who don't want a lift occupying their space at all times.
Number 5. KATOOL Garage Car Lift. The KATOOL 8,500 pounds Garage Car Lift is a sturdy 4-post system designed for users who want maximum stability and versatile lifting in a home or commercial setting. With a lifting capacity of 8,500 pounds, it easily supports a wide range of vehicles, including sedans, trucks, and SUVs. Unlike 2-post lifts, the 4-post design offers enhanced safety and balance, especially during long-term storage or tasks like wheel alignment. It features a single-point manual safety lock release for straightforward operation and includes 4 mechanical locking devices with both primary and secondary safety mechanisms. This ensures peace of mind whether you're performing a quick repair or storing a vehicle for weeks. The lift is powered by a high-quality hydraulic system and offers both 110-volt and 220-volt configurations. The 220-volt pump must be requested. A caster kit is included for added mobility, allowing you to reposition the lift as needed within the garage. This flexibility is a major bonus for users with limited space. The lift also includes adjustable runways and additional support features that make it a great fit for various vehicle sizes and wheelbases. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.